is responsible for creating and sustaining that zone of active hostilities? The current escalation did not arise in vacuum. It stems from repeated incursions by the Israeli military into the territory of Lebanon. Indonesia strongly condemns Israeli attacks in southern Lebanon, which constitute a serious violation against the sovereignty and territorial integrity of Lebanon. Indonesia continues to stand in solidarity with the government and the people of Lebanon. As hostilities in southern Lebanon escalates, attacks against UNIFIL peacekeepers have also increased in recent weeks. These repeated attacks are not mere incidents, but deliberate assaults aimed at undermining the UNIFIL and deterring its ability to fulfill the mandate of Resolution 1701. These attacks also represent a direct threat to international peace and security and may constitute war crimes under international law. We therefore demand an immediate, thorough, and transparent investigation.